what do we have here? We have a triangle. Now in this triangle, we have these three angles, which are the internal angles of this triangle. But what about the external angle? For that, we'll have to produce the sides. So if I produce this particular side, then I get one external angle of this triangle, which is this one, and this makes a pair with this internal angle. So together, this exterior angle and this interior angle make one pair, and this is called a linear pair because they lie on this straight line, and this linear pair will have a value of 180 degrees, because if you draw an angle on a straight line, you will always get 180 degrees. So we can say that this interior angle plus this exterior angle will be 180 degrees. So exterior angle plus interior angle always will give you a value of 180 degrees. Now in the case of triangle, we have three linear pairs. So this is one linear pair, this is another, and this is another, and each one of them will be 180 degrees. That is, each pair will measure 180 degrees. Now there are n number of linear pairs in an n-sided polygon. So in the case of three-sided polygon, we have three linear pairs. Similarly, for a four-sided polygon, we will have four linear pairs, and so on. So whatever is the number of sides, those many linear pairs we will have in a polygon. So let's try to calculate in this case. What is the information we have? Number of sides is n, right? So what will be the number of linear pairs? It will be n, because number of sides and number of linear pairs are always same in the case of a polygon. So total sum of all linear pairs will be 180 degree into n, because n linear pairs and each linear pair's value is 180 degrees. So 180 degrees into n is the total sum of all linear pairs, and sum of all interior angles we know is n minus 2 into 180 degrees. So we have total sum of all linear pairs and we have sum of all interior angles. Now from that, can we find the value of all the exterior angles? Let's see. Well, if we talk about sum of all the exterior angles, we are basically talking about this angle plus this angle plus this angle plus this angle plus this angle. Now all these angles are forming linear pairs with corresponding internal angles. So sum of all the linear pairs is one value which we have, and from that, if we subtract the sum of all the internal angles, then what will be left? The value which is left is sum of all the external angles, isn't it? So if we subtract sum of all interior angles from total sum of all linear pairs, then what we get is the total sum of all exterior angles. So in this case, we can write this as 180 degree into n, which is total sum of all linear pairs, minus n minus 2 into 180 degrees, which is sum of all interior angles. Now if we break this, what do we get? We get 180 degree into n minus this n minus 2 will convert into 180 degree into n, and 2 into 180 degree, that is 360 degree. Now 180 degree into n minus 180 degree into n will be 0. So they get cancelled. So what do we have? We have 360 degrees. So what do we get? Sum of all exterior angles, 360 degrees. Now you will notice that I have taken n number of sides. So I have not specified any number of sides. It's n. It means this thing is applicable to any polygon of any number of sides. So always whenever we are talking about a polygon, sum of all exterior angles will be 360 degrees. So sum of all exterior angles of an n-sided convex polygon is 360 degrees. Now the point to notice is that we are talking about a convex polygon. So whenever we are dealing with a convex polygon, we can say that sum of all the exterior angles will always be 360 degrees, and it does not matter whether the polygon is a regular polygon or an irregular polygon. The sum of external angles of a convex polygon will always be 360 degrees. So now can you answer this question? Sum of all the external angles of a convex polygon is always dash. Is it 180 degree? Is it 360 degrees? Or is it 720 degrees? What do you think is the right answer? Well, the right answer is 360 degrees. Now let's come to a regular convex polygon. In the case of regular convex polygon, we can go a step further. That is, we can also calculate the value of each external angle, because in this case the value of every external angle is same, and that is why we can actually calculate the value of each external angle. So in the case of a regular convex polygon, each external angle equal to sum of all exterior angles divided by number of angles or sides. So for a regular polygon, each exterior angle is equal to 360 degrees by n, because we know that sum of all exterior angles is always 360 degrees for a convex polygon. So this value is known, and we need to divide this value by number of angles or sides of the polygon, and in this way we can get each exterior angle of a regular convex polygon. Now this is one part. Now from this we can also find the number of sides of the polygon. That is, if you have the value of each exterior angle of a regular polygon and you always have the value that is 360 degrees for the sum of all the exterior angles, then you can find n, that is number of sides or number of angles of the regular polygon. So we can say that number of sides or number of angles of a regular convex polygon will be 360 degree divided by each exterior angle. So if you have any of these two values, you can find the other. So number of sides of a regular polygon is equal to 360 degrees by each exterior angle. Now can you answer this question? Find the number of sides of a regular convex polygon whose exterior angle is 60 degrees. Now here we have been given the value of exterior angle only, that is 60 degrees, and we need to find the number of sides of a regular convex polygon. Now what do we know about finding number of sides? Now if we have n as the number of sides, then what is the value of each side? Well, sum of all the exterior angles, which is 360 degrees, divided by each exterior angle of a regular convex polygon. Here the value is 60 degrees. So it is 60 degrees. Now we need to cancel them. Well, 60 into 6 is 360 degrees. N is equal to 6. That means we are talking about a hexagon. So we have a regular convex hexagon and each of its exterior angle is 60 degrees. So if we have a regular convex polygon and if we have the value of the exterior angle, we can find the number of sides of the polygon. So there are n number of linear pairs in an n-sided polygon. So number of sides is equal to number of linear pairs in a polygon. And what is the value of each linear pair? Well, it is 180 degree. So every exterior angle plus the corresponding interior angle will always add up to 180 degrees. And sum of all exterior angles of an n-sided polygon is equal to 360 degrees. So this is true for any convex polygon, whether it is regular or irregular. And for a regular convex polygon, each exterior angle is equal to 360 degrees by n, where n is the number of sides. So if we divide 360 degrees by number of sides, we get each exterior angle. And from the same formula, we can also find the number of sides. Number of sides is equal to 360 degrees by each exterior angle. So using this formula, we can find both the number of sides as well as the value of each exterior angle.
Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. You can also register for free at deltastep.com to get all learning resources as per ICSE, CBSE, IB, Cambridge or any other curriculum. Over 5,000 amazing lectures across maths, science, English and social science. Our unique interactive video technology keeps you engaged, and our iDictionary feature allows you to quickly revise any concept. Master each topic at your own pace with our adaptive practice technology and 1 million plus questions. Get instant answers and detailed solutions. Be exam ready by taking unlimited mock tests, performance analysis along with actionable feedback, personal tutors to resolve your slightest of doubts. That's not all. You also get amazing prizes like PlayStations, iPads, watches, and many more, along with certificates through our Earn As You Learn program. So at deltastep.com, learning is not just fun and easy, it's rewarding too. So register for free now.